In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Calendly account. Before we dive in, just a quick note. Once you delete your account, you'll lose access to your event types, scheduled meetings, and any settings you've customized. So make sure you really want to remove your account before following along, and consider exporting any important information first. Let's start on your Calendly dashboard, where you normally see your event types. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your initials, a small profile picture, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several personal and account-related options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Profile. This is where Calendly keeps your personal details, like your name, time zone, and some account preferences. Click on Profile to move into your personal profile settings page. Once the profile page loads, you're now in the right place to manage your account information. Take a moment here if you want to double check anything, such as your email or connected calendars, because after deletion, you won't be able to access this page again with the same account. When you're ready to proceed, look through this page for the option related to deleting or closing your account. On this same profile page, you should see a link or button that says Delete Account. This is usually placed toward the bottom area of the page, sometimes in a smaller font or different color, to indicate it's a more serious action. Click Delete Account to begin the removal process. After clicking, Calendly may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account, and in some cases, it might prompt you to give a reason. Read any confirmation message carefully, because it will usually explain that this action is permanent and may cancel upcoming events or remove data tied to your account. If you're sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen confirmation and your Calendly account will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through your profile settings and removed your Calendly account.